Fat lump of dog. Just give me that dog. Come on. Fred!
You fat lump of dog.
Ow!
Don't stand in front of the camera.
What was that for?
For standing in front of the camera.
What?
For standing in front of the camera. Go to Freddy. Freddy's only. Freddy's got no friendly friends. Freddy ain't got no friend. Freddy!
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Freddy, come on.
You fat lump of dog.
You're a good fat lump of dog. We love Freddy.
Lumpa lumpa.
The wonderless adventures of Freddy.
Lumpa lumpa.
Move. Freddy. Freddy, smile. Freddy, picture. Picture. Freddy, picture. Jade, move.
Freddy, picture. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Freddy, come on. Freddy, come for your walk.
She took it from a ginger.
I'll do it.
No, I do.
What are you doing, Amber? When was the last time you brought Freddy to a walk?
To walk?
Yeah.
Come on, Freddy.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Freddy. Come on.
He's just a big
Can I
dog.
do it? Freddy.
No.
Come on, Freddy. Freddy.
Fine, we can do the next one.
Yay. Doggy, Freddy. So, hey, stop.
And on the upstairs. Yeah.
This dog doesn't like walks. This one? Can I have a go?